Hello everyone! So I'm now a level 1 SolidWorks drafter.
Level 0.
So of course, working to build my skills, I've decided we're gonna make an El Diablo from Kim Possible So the Drama, the must-have devious toy of Bueno Nacho.
Watch this, Lise. You can actually pinpoint the second when his heart rips in half.
One look around tells you that little Diablo is...
I can't even get to the counter to order! This used to be my place! Mine! I'm losing everything I ever cared about!
This is now my second successful printout I've done, and the other is exclusively on Patreon, a Father's Day bonus. I don't have nano-growing technologies, so this is a solid chunk printout toy. Side note, Dragon is actually the boss in that movie.
There is no plan here. No way.
Oh, but there is.
Bill!
No!
Why not?
Kim Possible is not smarter than you.
True.
If you can't figure it out, she can't figure it out.
Unlike I assume Blender works, to use this program you need to draft shapes and then transform them into solid shapes and structures on a plethora of planes. Learning how to layer all of this the way the program wants you to can be very tricky. There are tons of different functions and action names. In the end, this simply brings me up to everyone else's current playing field, and hopefully it will enable me to actually share these creations to print with you all on the future of this channel through my Patreon. For anyone wondering, I've basically gone from creating a spherical shape, then drawing a face on a separate plane, using a wrap feature to cut that into the round surface and drawing the rest of his body from there. I'm using a cutting option to remove more material from surfaces and so on. It becomes daunting after a while. Now that he's ready to go, because I don't own a 3D printer, a day later my father's printed it for me and delivered him to my porch. I then ordered some tester's paint that didn't even ship in time, so for my birthday, among other special gifts, my honey bought me some special paint markers, and after a few layers and a clear coat, we have the final result. Thank you for watching! If you want to support this channel, please head on over to my Patreon. Bye bye now!